Some more of Washington's essential workers are now getting the COVID-19 vaccine. Agricultural workers harvest our food and sometimes in tight spaces.
The Washington Asparagus Commission tells us more than 80 people can be packed into a shed at times, packing different vegetables and fruits. Mayor Kawash explains how those workers feel after getting their first shot of this vaccine.
Aaron, we've all seen how much every industry has adjusted to the changes over the last year of this pandemic, but agriculture workers don't have that freedom or wiggle room to do that. They've worked in some tight spaces, and that's why nothing is more reassuring for them than these COVID-19 vaccines.
We cannot pack asparagus and social distance.
It's a daily reality for agriculture workers. They can't work remotely or distance themselves over a Zoom call. Instead, they pile into sheds and fields, working in tight spaces to bring us the food we need. Alan Schreiber is executive director of the Washington Asparagus Commission and Blueberry Commission. He and his workers start harvesting in just a couple weeks.
They're going to be working 7 days a week, and when we're in the packing shed, we're going to have all those people in there.
They're still masking up and trying to distance from each other, but now they can do that job with slightly less worry, thanks to that COVID-19 vaccine.
It's like I couldn't wait to get the shot, and now it's like I can't wait to get the second shot. That's what I want, that second shot.
It was a no-brainer for him to get the shot, but he had to sit down with his entire team to discuss how they feel. He says a majority of his workers are Hispanic, and minorities have historically struggled to trust these vaccines and public health in general.
Basically, they said, if you get a shot, we'll get a shot. And so we all agreed we're all going to get shots, and we all went down the same day to do it.
All but one of his employees agreed, and he's still figuring out how to handle that.
I suppose it's within my rights to require him to get a vaccine, but I don't feel in my value system that I should require it. It should be a choice.
Now, I'm told there are a good amount of vaccine appointments available right now around Spokane County if you qualify, and vaccine eligibility will open up again one more week from today in Washington. So if you do qualify, you'll want to jump on those appointments. You could head to kxoy.com/vaccine for help to get those appointments. Reporting live in Spokane tonight, I'm Maher Kawash, 4 News Now.